Hi guys, welcome to my Chinese watch collection. My name is Aviv. About a week ago I uploaded a watch review for this watch. I called it the Beast of Many Names. If you haven't watched that one, you can click the link in the description or in the top right corner of your screen. And one of the features I showed you on that video was the rotating compass bezel. And one of you guys asked me on Instagram, how do I use rotating compass bezel? So I decided I should make a quick tutorial video about how to do that. I don't think that in 2020 it's such a must-know skill, but knowledge is power, so let's do that. So to tell the direction of north and south, you don't really need compass bezel. You can do it with any other bezel. If you have a diver's watch, you can think of the 12 o'clock marker on the bezel as north and the 6 o'clock indicator on the bezel as south, and go with that. And if you don't have a bezel but you do have an analog watch, you can still find the directions and use your watch as a compass. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So what we need to do, let's pretend that this delicious looking but surprisingly disappointing cookie is the sun. What we need to do is hold the watch flat and point the hour hand towards the sun. Okay? Then we'll turn the bezel and position the south indicator or the 6 o'clock indicator halfway between the hour marker and the 12 o'clock position of the watch dial. That's something like here. And we have the general direction of due south and north on the opposite direction. If it's a different bezel, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, north, south. If your watch doesn't have a bezel at all, just remember that the halfway between the 12 o'clock marker and the hour hand is the general direction of south. This will only work if you're in the northern hemisphere of Earth. And of course that I forgot to mention what happens when you're in the southern hemisphere before eating the cookie. So if we'll pretend that this cap is the sun, in the southern hemisphere you point 12 o'clock towards the sun, and the midway between 12 o'clock and the hour hand is north. Okay, so if the sun is here, midway between the 12 o'clock and the hour hand is roughly here, so this is north, that is south. And yeah, next time I'll make sure I film the entire video before eating the props. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know. Or you can always use a real compass or your smartphone. If you like this video and found it helpful, I would really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, which is all about affordable watches and tips about using and taking care of them. Also about shopping AliExpress. If you're on Instagram and you're into watches, give me a follow, see my collection, get to know it a little bit better. Also connect with me on a more personal level, so you can ask me questions like this one and get all the news about the channel. I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.